Hey again. For those of you who are not yet part of the Handy Mom 868 tribe, I'm Ruth. Zoe is somewhere about. The first two parts of this episode of dealing with hard water in the bathroom is just a small part of the Dealing with Hard Water series. The series touches on treating areas affected by hard water in your home. If this is your first video, I recommend that you check out the playlist, which provides you with some much needed tips, tricks, hacks, and tools for battling hard water in your living spaces. Hi, as we continue to move around the bathroom, let me take you to the other area of the bathroom that is a source of nightmares for a lot of persons. And it doesn't have to be. For those of you who have not started this series with me, you should check out the first part of Dealing with Hard Water, the bathroom part A, where I showed you how I cleaned a neglected shower from the shower head to the floor tiles. This part B is specific to the toilet and treating that brown discoloration left by hard water. Firstly, if you find that there are always brown streaks in your toilet bowl, you may have to get your plumber to adjust or change the flush valve in your toilet tank, as those streaks are caused by the constant flow of your overflow water in your toilet bowl. To remove those brown streaks on a frequently cleaned toilet bowl, a borax paste will do the job. I'll put the recipe in the video description area. For stains that have been there a while, we'll start with a clean toilet bowl. I'll then use my pumice stone that I ordered specially for use in the toilet. I like the fact that this one has a storage case and handle. The pumice stone is supposed to be gentle on the porcelain but quite effective for rubbing out those stains. If more force is needed, then I'll pull out my blade, which pretty much scrapes off all the thick stubborn buildup without damaging your bowl. Another tool which can be used if you don't have a pumice stone handy is some fine grit water sandpaper. This is a hack which I mentioned in part A of this episode of Dealing with Hard Water in the bathroom. You can also use this for the jets under the rim of your toilet. To clean the jets under the rim, which sends out the water, empty your toilet tank by turning off the water inlet valve. Flush to remove all remaining water. Then use duct tape or gorilla tape to seal cling wrap to the inside of the bowl, and then add some vinegar to the tank. Flush and leave it overnight. The next morning, remove the cling wrap, turn on your water valve, and then use a cleaning toothbrush to brush away any remaining residue. Then be on your way. Yes, duct tape and cling wrap are handy tools for cleaning the toilet. Now you have a throne fit for queen or king. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. While you're here, comment and share with me some of your bathroom cleaning habits. Remember, subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That's how you know when the next video in this series is uploaded. If you've missed the first two episodes and part A of this series, click on the playlist to catch up. Also, join me on Facebook and Instagram, where you'll get nuggets of information in between videos. As usual, it was my pleasure bringing you this information, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Don't forget, up next is Part C, which is cleaning your vanities. So stay tuned.